So at this point in making our homemade fermented chili sauce, the peppers have had at least 5 days of fermenting in the brine, and we're now going to drain them, put them into something like this, and blend them really well. Save your liquid, because the brine you need to put back in to make the kind of sauce element, and then you can just store it in something like a jam jar or an old sriracha bottle. It's effectively what this is, but green. And then, yeah, that'll keep for months. So at this point, all of those chilies and onion and garlic has gone into these two pots. The longer you can leave this, the better it's going to get. I've got a bit of our shio koji here, which is kind of the rice that's been liquidized by koji, and I'm just going to add this to one of them. And in effect, it's going to be something like what you do to miso paste, but we're going to do it with chili. So we're going to have like a kind of like miso chili thing. And this one we're going to leave plain. Then we're going to just try those whenever we get around to eat them, and we'll update when we do.